Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Capricorn. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have 10 of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Swords in reverse, and 7 of Wands. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are facing a lot of challenges today. You are working really hard, you are dedicated, and though your circumstances are difficult, you are someone really determined. You have a strong willpower and you stand by the choices you have made, and you're courageous facing your situation, facing all difficulties. And maybe your dedication is the reason things will change for the better, Capricorn. Whatever difficulties you are seeing, your dedication is going to help you, and you are in a very advantageous position. Maybe in your work you may have a lot of competition, but you are someone who's leading, who has a great potential to win, succeed in your situation. And the same way in your relationship, though you feel a lot stressed, maybe there may be some misunderstanding, something not going as you had hoped for with this person you love, though you try to balance this relationship, trying to be really friendly with this person, there may be certain circumstances that are worrying you. Maybe sometimes they are good towards you, but sometimes they are arguing with you. So you do not know what is their true face, what is the reality, and what is the reason they are behaving this way with you. And maybe for some of you, this person is not telling you something, they are hiding something. Maybe when they feel really good about you, they are happy to be with you, they are showing kindness, love, and their friendly nature. But when they remember something, when they think of something, or when they are really stressed over something, they are fighting with you. Maybe they have something on their mind, they want to ask you, something, they want to find out something about you. Maybe they have heard something about you. It may be some rumors or some gossips about you, and sometimes they feel that these are all just gossips or lies, maybe. But sometimes when they feel that there is something that may be true about these gossips, they are simply angry and they are fighting with you for no reason at all. So clear communication is the answer for your situation, Capricorn. So we will see what is the card for your Ace of Swords. So you have a relationship, a good one with this person. There may be a level of understanding, but still You need to put in a lot of efforts from your side if you want to hold on to this connection. Maybe this person is good sometimes and they are not so good sometimes. So, what you should do from your side, you need to put in a lot of efforts trying to find the balance, but communication is the answer today, Capricorn. So, if you want this love, you must talk to this person freely, talk to them about what is worrying them or what is making them anxious. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your work circumstances. We have one card here, Five of Pentacles in reverse. So there may be some delays, suspensions in your work, some financial troubles may be there. So if you want to avoid some difficulties, you must not make any important decisions today. You should postpone any important decisions you are making today, Capricorn, for your career circumstances. So that is the energy here with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you, and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.